Leo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign that I do the video for. Now, another quick disclaimer is from this month, I will be starting a new series in this particular channel. So keep checking this channel regularly, okay? Now, let's quickly see what the month has in store for you. Now what I see for you here is you have the King of Wands, the 10 of Wands and the 10 of Pentacles. Your person has the Wheel of Fortune, the 6 of Cups and the Queen of Wands. So that's a pair. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship and what is the outcome of the relationship. Now what I'm seeing here at the bottom of the deck is we have the Emperor card, okay? So either you are dealing with an Aries or somebody in this relationship will take a leadership role, okay? Now what I'm seeing for you here is you have the King of Wands energy. With that, you are very attractive and handsome, and at the same time, along with your physical attraction, okay, and the physical beauty that you have, you're also very confident as a person. You get your things done. While in the outer world, it looks like that you're very confident. There is something about this relationship that you feel suppressed about. So maybe you feel that you are the only one doing all the things in this relationship. And that's what is stressing you out because you feel the burden of that particular relationship is in your or shoulders. What I also see is because you're doing really well for yourself, you also have the Queen of Pentacles, which means that you're also enjoying the luxuries of life and you're doing well. Okay, so your financial stability is something that you have really worked on. Your person, on the other hand, has the Wheel of Fortune, which is a major arcana. So they are looking for some change in the Wheel of Fortune. They want things to change and work in their favor because yes, this person, whenever they are alone, they do recollect the memories. They do recollect the sweet things that happened, okay, the memories that both of you have, and they do miss you, okay. Now what I'm seeing here is this person also is equally attractive, equally confident, and yes, they also get things done, but like you, okay, they also, whenever they are alone, maybe they miss you so much that they just try to remember the sweet moments that both of you shared. Now the mutual feeling that both of you have is the Strength card, which means that a lot of strength, a lot of courage is required from both of you in order to work on this relationship and make this relationship move forward. The blockage that I see on the relationship right now is the Four of Swords. So it could be that one person in this relationship is postponing things, okay? The habit of procrastinating things for the future is something that could become a blockage in the relationship because the other person might think that this person is not interested at all. The outcome that I see for you is the Justice card. So if some of you are currently involved in a court case, that will come out in your favor. However, for the majority of you, what I see is when the Justice card comes out, it means that you will get justice in the situation. If anything wrong was done, you will get the justice, okay. Now let's quickly see the intention of this person. I see they have the Nine of Wands. With that, they are trying to protect themselves. They are holding on to this one wand, and that's the wand that they want for themselves. They also have the Magician energy. With that, they could use all the tricks of the trade and they would command all the four elements of the universe to work in their favor. And yes, I also see the Ace of Wands, okay. Now this person is physically very attracted to you, okay, because wands represent physical attraction. So yes, they would want to have that time with you where they could have that at a moment with you. That's something that I really see, that instead of a lot of cups here, we have a lot of wands. So yes, the physical attraction between the two of you, the passion is really high is what I currently see. Now let's quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you here is the Charyte. The crystal messages: are you finding that life is out of control? Do you need to sort out exactly what's going on to get the reason for the chaos? Take the time to go within and call on the ascended masters, spirit guides and angels to provide you with the inspiration you need to transform your life. The message here from Archangel Raziel I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. And that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe this channel. Until the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.